Hi.
It's a bright and sunny morning. Today's what day is it today?
Today is the 13th. Wednesday.
Oh, it's a Wednesday. I lost track of the day because we lost our jobs yesterday, and it feels like a Friday yesterday. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna put an emoji there. Yeah, but since we have a day off before we go to Wellington this Friday to meet our parents, we're taking a chance to go to this place called the Blue Pools or Blue Springs.
Blue Springs.
I think it's called the Blue Pools.
Is it? When I said Blue Pool, they corrected me. It's Blue Springs.
I cannot
not
remember.
Sure.
Yeah. It's an hour's drive, and apparently it's a very, very nice place. Let's go. Picturistics, yeah. Let's go check it out. Alright, so half an hour in and we stopped by rotorua, and we saw this place with an incredible view. I mean, the water's just like a mirror, and it's so amazing. Alright, we took a nice break and now it's back on the road. 49 kilometers more. Let's go! And we are here at the Blue Springs. So apparently you have to take a little hike, which is an hour and a half if you take the loop track. If not, it's 3 hours if you take the full track, which is about 10 clicks long. But we're not taking the full hike because we've got somewhere to be at 5. Meeting our colleagues again. I think you change the shoes. Yeah, Asians hiking in slippers. So we have some bad news. I was watching some videos and people were swimming in it, but now we can't swim anymore. So let's just take a walk and see what's there. Maybe we can get some nice footage. I got a drone, so it's gonna be a nice set of eyes in the skies. Let's see how it goes.
Bad news! No drones permitted. Oh well.
I'm gonna keep the drone. now we are meeting our ex-colleagues. We're eating fish and chips at this place called Pilot Bay, which is actually in Mount Maunganui. And something to take note if you are like traveling around, a lot of places here do not provide free sauce like ketchup, mayonnaise, tartar sauce, whatever sauce you like. So you must always have one yourself. So you can bring it around, have some sauce with your chips. And yeah, so check out this place.